Hello student, welcome back for your next class. In last class we discussed something about linear inequation. I hope you all understand everything. Okay. So today we will start the next chapter number 5, quadratic equation in one variable. Okay. So let's start. Quadratic equation in one variable. Okay, quadratic equation in one variable. To start this, we have to know the meaning of quadratic equation and one variable. Okay, so suppose ax plus by equal to c. It's an equation, and ax plus b equal to 0. It's also an equation. Okay, what is the difference between these two equations? Look, here x is a variable and y is another variable. That means in this equation two variables are present, but in this equation only one variable are present. Okay, so this is the equation of two variables and this is the equation of one variable. This is one variable, this is the equation of one variable. Okay, and this is an linear equation, not quadratic equation. It is also a linear equation, not quadratic equation. Why? Because the highest power of this equation is 1. Here power of x is 1, power of y is 1. Also here power of x is 1. Okay, so these equation are linear equation of one variable. Now we will talk about quadratic equation. Suppose ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is an equation. Okay, look here the number of variable 1, here x, that means one variable, but highest power of this equation is 2. Here power of x is 2, here power of x 1, power of x is 0. That means highest power of this equation is 2. So it is quadratic equation, but this is not quadratic equation. This is linear equation. Both are linear equation. This is quadratic equation of one variable, because here the variable is, that means unknown quantity. Unknown quantity is 1. That means one variable. That's why it is quadratic equation of one variable. Whereas x square plus by plus c equal to 0. This is quadratic equation, but not of one variable, because here is a variable x, here also another variable y. That means in this equation two variables are present. That's why it is quadratic equation, but not of one variable. It is quadratic equation of two variables. Okay, and this is quadratic equation of one variable, and this is standard equation of quadratic equation in one variables. That means ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is quadratic equation of one variable. Okay, here a not equal to 0. In this equation a not equal to 0. Why? Because if a equal to 0, then this term will be vanishes, then the equation becomes bx plus c. That means it's become bx plus c equal to 0. This is an linear equation, not quadratic equation. That's why a not equal to 0. That means ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation of one variable where a not equal to 0. Okay. Now let a number alpha is a root of equation 1. A number alpha is the root of the equation 1. This is equation name 1. A number alpha is the root of the equation 1. If and only if, this is if and only if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. That means if alpha is the root of the equation 1, then alpha satisfies the equation. Also if alpha satisfy this equation, then alpha is a root of the equation 1. So clear up to that? If and only if means if alpha is root of the equation 1, then it will be satisfied, or if this is satisfy this equation, then alpha is the root of the equation of this. Okay, now let's come example. That's why it will be more easy to understand to you. Okay, exercise 5.1. Okay, 1 subpart 4. Okay, check the following quadratic equation. Check it is here whether the following is a quadratic equation, and the equation is x minus 3 by x equal to 2, x not equal to 0. We have to check that this equation is quadratic equation or not. Okay, so let's check. We can write this equal to x square minus 3 by x equal to 2, or x square minus 3 equal to 2x, or x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, that means standard form. So it is a quadratic equation because the highest power of this equation is 2. So it is quadratic equation. Okay.